These nutritional bath instructions are brought to you by Developing the Self, Developing the World. A nutritional bath can be used in springtime for rehabilitation post-illness, when fatigued, undernourished, when it's difficult to warm up, and also to help harmonise the well-being or life sense. But please do not have a nutritional bath if you're pregnant, fevering, being medicated, or using drugs. The bath water is warm but not hot. It should be as close as possible to the person's body temperature. Between 35.5 and 37.5 degrees Celsius is ideal. Separate an egg, as you'll be using the yolk. Into a bowl, place the egg yolk and add a tablespoon of honey and mix it well to combine. Then to the egg and honey, add a cup of milk. Use ingredients in their most natural state available to you, such as if a dairy's up the road and you can get raw cow's milk. In the bath, zest a lemon, then cut it in half, make incisions and then squeeze out the juice. The plate's there to protect the bath from knife cuts. Add the egg, milk and honey to the bath. The lemon can be removed before the person goes in the bath, and it may be omitted from the whole recipe if the person's skin's very sensitive. Don't use a lemon at all. Keep an eye on the bath temperature. The person can overheat if the bath temperature is too hot. This can also happen in the rest period if they become too hot, and children especially are more susceptible to overheating. Enliven the water with 7 lemniscate forms. A lemniscate is like the figure 8. You start in the centre of the form and also finish in the centre. When the bath water becomes still, the person can rest in it for up to 10 minutes. Keep the head and ears out of the water. When you rise from the bath, you leave the water on your skin. You don't dry your skin. You use a flannelette or a cotton or a silk robe or sheet to cover yourself and then make your way to the bedroom. These instructions are showing a self-wrapping technique with a flannelette sheet. There's a pillow at the head covered by a towel so that if your hairs become wet, the pillow will be protected. There's also a pillow under the knees, which you can use if you prefer. There's a woolen blanket at the end of the bed. Once you've laid down, you wrap each leg separately in the sheet or the bathrobe so that skin's not upon skin, and where possible the air pockets are taken out. When you've wrapped the sheet up to your waist, then you pull the blanket up and you hold each corner of the top of the sheet and form wings by bringing the sheet in under the arms. Firmly wrap the sheet around your torso. Lift the hair away from your neck and cover the eyes with the top of the sheet. Bring the blanket up a bit higher and then you tuck the parts in around the head. There's the sheet and the towel. You can use an eye pillow if it's comfortable as well. And there you rest for at least 20 minutes. An hour's optimal. And ideally refrain from washing the skin for at least a day. For more information, contact us through developingtheself.org.